Guys, you know what that sign means. And then you see the side of it here and you go, oh, you know what I see. GT500 Cobra. Look at this beast. Super clean Shelby. Got the Shelby wheels on it. Look at that. Oh, it's all stock other than the exhaust that we just did on it. So let me show you guys what we've done. Still got factory converter there. Factory converter there. X pipe there, Ford's X pipe. Then 2.5-inch pipe over the rear end. And then what we did, installed 2 Black Widows there and there for your viewing pleasure. Part number BW0012 on each side. And then kept the factory tips or the aftermarket tips he has on it. Didn't change the tips or anything. There it is, Ford GT Shelby 500, 2008. That's where the pipe was and we took off. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear what Toby guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. 2008 Shelby GT500. Go ahead with Black Widow. It's a nice idle to it now. Your sound decibels on idle? 78. Give it gas. Nice. Black Widow. Again. When it peaks is at 111. One more. 107. But it peaked at 111. Again. Yeah, that's perfect. Go ahead and back it up, bro. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Hit that follow button, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, once you do the high flow cats, it's gonna sound.
Definitely be a little louder.
Yes, you'll get another like 30% at least.
Yeah.
And the tone would change. Again. No. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. GT500. This is his third Mustang here. 2 on the channel. This is going to be his third Mustang on the channel for us. Keeps upgrading and upgrading. I love it. Such a beautiful car. 40,000 miles on this thing, guys. You can't beat that. Not bad at all. That thing sounded sick. I like it. Enjoy, guys.